टोबैको बंद करना चाहिए। और ऐसा बात ही है, कुछ कुछ दुकानदार है टोबैको को छुपा के भी बेच रहे हैं। तो ये टोबैको बेचना नहीं चाहिए। और मेरे प्रशासन से अपील है कि जो टोबैको छुपा के बेच रहा है उसको भी जानकारी ले।
उड़ीसा में बंद किया है, सारा भारत में बंद,
सारा भारत में बंद करना चाहिए। यही मेरा अपील है प्रशासन से, भारत सरकार से, उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट से।
क्यों इसलिए बैन करना चाहिए?
टोबैको खाने से देखिए बीमारी होता है, गंदगी होता है, कैंसर होता है, बीमारी ज्यादा होता है टोबैको खाने से। ये टोबैको खाना नहीं चाहिए। यही मेरा सरकार से अपील है।
तो जो गवर्नमेंट जो डिसीजन लिया है सही है?
जो गवर्नमेंट डिसीजन लिया है एकदम सही लिया है। और बाकी जो करेगा प्रशासन करेगा, गवर्नमेंट करेगा, भारत सरकार करेगा।
Also, you see, previously in 2013, Government of Odisha also imposed a ban on sale of the tobacco in Odisha, but it was not implemented in proper way. You see, tobacco production, transportation, and hoarding is the bigger issue in Odisha. 2 days before, Government of Odisha repeated the ban again and overlooked the 2013 order and issue another notification, which is declared ban on production, transportation, hoarding, and also selling. So I think this is the best order, best time actually when the Odisha is number one in oral cancer and consuming tobacco in all over India. So it was the very concern of the government and also public. So we welcome this step and we hope government and the police department as well as the public participation, they should go for immediately steps on ban on implementation on the ground level, means production, transportation, hoarding and selling. All these 4 things will go unitedly, then it will be implemented properly. So number 2, Kotpa Act also misusing in Odisha within the 200-meter radius nearer the education institutions. There should not be any non-consumable products will be sold in the nearby area. But in Odisha, it is also going on. So I appeal Government of Odisha to look Kotpa Act also in proper way. So we welcome this step of the Government of Odisha and we hope best of luck for this thing. Right. In 2013 also it was actually not implemented in proper way. It was very difficult to implement because actually in all of the Odisha rural people from village to city, all students, senior citizens, medium age people are using tobacco. So I think implementation part is very difficult, but if Government of Odisha in association with the police department and public will concern and go for a bigger way, then it is possible. It is not impossible. So I think ban will help to stop the tobacco and tobacco products in Odisha. It will help our people.